Click on the link below to get price. The double-story 8 bedrooms with balcony modern 2024 design is a state-of-the-art prefab container house, offering an expansive and luxurious living environment for families of all sizes. This modern dwelling encapsulates the essence of contemporary living with its sleek design, high-quality materials, and myriad features designed for comfort and convenience. Spacious and flexible living area. One of the most compelling aspects of this prefab house is its spacious design. With options for 6 to 8 bedrooms, this home provides ample space for large families or those who require additional rooms for guests, offices, or hobby spaces. The large living area ensures that everyone has enough space to relax and enjoy, making it an ideal choice for both temporary and permanent residences. Modern aesthetics. The exterior of the house boasts a clean, modern aesthetic, characterized by sleek lines and a sophisticated finish. The contemporary design extends to the interior as well, with modern fixtures and fittings that enhance the overall look and feel of the home. The inclusion of a balcony and terrace adds an extra touch of elegance, offering outdoor spaces for relaxation and entertainment. Fully equipped for comfort. This house comes fully equipped with a range of amenities designed to make life more comfortable. The bathroom is fully fitted with modern fixtures, including a toilet, sink, mirror, and shower area. The kitchen is equipped with essential appliances such as cabinets, taps, hot and cold pipelines, and a sink, making it easy to prepare meals and maintain a clean living environment. Climate control and energy efficiency comfort is further enhanced by the inclusion of a free air conditioner, ensuring a pleasant indoor climate throughout the year. Additionally, the house is fitted with modern solar panels that provide a sustainable and eco-friendly energy solution. This energy-efficient design not only reduces utility costs, but also minimizes the house's environmental footprint. Soundproof and secure privacy and peace of mind are paramount in this modern prefab house. The structure is designed with excellent soundproofing capabilities, ensuring a quiet and peaceful living environment. Furthermore, all doors are equipped with secure locks to provide an added layer of safety and security for the occupants. Durability and weather resistance. Built with durability in mind, the house features a sturdy metal construction that is both fire-rated and waterproof. This ensures that the house can withstand a range of environmental conditions, providing a safe and secure living space. Additionally, the house is designed to be wind-resistant up to level 11 and seismic-resistant up to level 9, making it a reliable choice for areas prone to natural disasters. Thermal insulation. The house is equipped with superior thermal insulation, which helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature regardless of the weather outside. This thermal efficiency not only enhances comfort, but also contributes to energy savings, making the house more cost-effective in the long run. Large windows and natural lighting. Large windows are a prominent feature of this house, allowing for ample natural lighting. These windows not only brighten up the living space, but also create a connection with the outdoors, enhancing the overall living experience. The natural light helps create a warm and inviting atmosphere inside the home. What stands out the most? Spacious design offers ample living space with 6-8 bedrooms, providing comfort for large families. Modern aesthetics features a contemporary design with clean lines and stylish finishes, fully equipped bathroom. Comes with a complete bathroom setup, including a toilet, sink, mirror, and shower area. Interior staircase includes an interior staircase for easy access to the upper floor, terrace. Provides an outdoor space for relaxation and entertainment. Air conditioning, equipped with a free air conditioner for year-round comfort. Dishwasher and dryer, includes a dishwasher and dryer for added convenience. Customizable options. Can be customized to meet specific needs such as the number of bedrooms and layout. Energy efficient. Features modern solar panels for sustainable energy use. Soundproofing. Offers excellent soundproofing for a peaceful living environment. Fire and waterproof. Designed to be fire-rated and waterproof, ensuring safety. Wind and earthquake resistant. Built to withstand strong winds and earthquakes. Thermal insulation provides superior thermal insulation for energy efficiency. Large windows, equipped with large windows for ample natural lighting. Secure locks. All doors are equipped with secure locks for added safety. Technical specifications. Model double-story 6, 8 bedrooms with balcony, modern 2024 design dimensions 234 inches dx 118 inches wx 110 inches h. Material, metal weight, approximately 1270 pounds. Bedrooms 6, 8 bedrooms bathroom, fully equipped with toilet, sink, mirror, and shower area. Kitchen, equipped with cabinets, taps, hot and cold pipelines, and sink air conditioning, included.
Dishwasher and dryer included solar panels, modern solar panels for energy efficiency.
Soundproofing, excellent soundproofing for a peaceful environment. Fire and waterproof, fire-rated and waterproof construction. Wind and earthquake resistant, wind resistant up to level 11, seismic resistant up to level 9. Thermal insulation. Superior thermal insulation for energy efficiency. Large windows for ample natural lighting. Secure locks, all doors equipped with secure locks. Pros and cons. Pros: spacious and customizable design. Modern aesthetics and stylish finishes. Fully equipped bathroom and kitchen, interior staircase and terrace, air conditioning, dishwasher, and dryer included.
Energy-efficient solar panels, excellent soundproofing and thermal insulation, fire and waterproof construction, wind and earthquake resistance, secure locks for added safety.
Cons: higher initial cost compared to smaller prefab houses requires professional installation. Regular maintenance needed for solar panels and other features. Where to buy? The double-story 6, 8 bedrooms with balcony, modern 2024 design can be purchased directly from Amazon. It is available for delivery and comes with a comprehensive warranty and customer support. To summarize, the double-story 6, 8 bedrooms with balcony, modern 2024 design is a versatile and luxurious prefab container house offering spacious living areas, modern aesthetics, and a range of convenient features. Whether you're looking for a temporary residence or a long-term family home, this house provides a comfortable and stylish living environment. With its customizable options and energy-efficient design, it is an excellent investment for those seeking a modern and functional home. Click on the link below to get price.